A flat drill bit is ideal for drilling large diameter holes in wood quickly and efficiently. A straight fluted drill bit is designed for drilling soft materials like plastics and brass to prevent slipping or chipping. A center drill is used to create precise pilot holes, ensuring accuracy for drilling or supporting workpieces on a lathe. A twist drill is uniquely designed for its self-centering capability, ensuring accurate drilling without wandering. An auger bit is designed with a screw tip to drill deep, clean, and accurate holes in wood effortlessly. A countersink drill bit creates angled holes for recessed screw heads in wood, metal, or plastic. A counterbore drill bit creates flat bottom holes to recess bolt or screw heads below the material surface. An installer bit drills long, narrow holes and includes a hole in the tip for pulling wires through walls. A Forstner bit drills flat-bottomed, precise holes with clean edges, ideal for woodworking and hinge installation. A masonry drill bit is designed for drilling into harder materials such as concrete, block, and stone. A step drill bit drills multiple hole sizes and deburrs edges in sheet materials like metal and plastic. Tile bits have a spear-shaped tip designed for precise drilling without cracking in tiles, glass, and ceramics.